Hi, hello, welcome to the Maths Media. Today's topic was basic geometrical ideas from 6th class NCERT, exercise 4.6. Question was from the figure identify. So this was the given figure. So we have to identify the center of the circle, 3 radius and a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the interior, a point in the exterior, a sector, a segment. This was the given figure. It is simply we can say that it is a circle. So in this circle we have to find these are also. First of all, see here a center of a circle. Every center needs a circle. It is nothing but a point, that was the point O. So the center of the circle is point O. Next, coming to this 3 radius means one of the half of the diagonal, but there was a more than one, it is said to be radii. So radius is nothing but a radii more than one radius. So there were 3 radius are there. This was OB and OA and OC. So these are 3 radius. Next, a diameter. Diameter is nothing but passing through the center of the circle. It touches from one side of a circle, circumference of the circle to another side with the equal length. So it is A and C. So the diameter is said to be as AC. A chord. A chord is nothing but a circumference touching with the one point to another point. So it is a chord. So it is ED. If you are wrote like this, this is also one chord. It is cutting from one of a circumference to another circumference point. It is also a chord. So this is the chord. 2 points in the interior. So this was the circle. It means circumference is the boundary. So in interior means in its inner body. So 2 points in the interior. So there are 2 points are there, O and P. I am writing P is here. So the point 2 points in interior is point O and point P. Next, a point in the exterior. Exterior means nothing but the out of the boundary. So this was the boundary of a circle, that was nothing but circumference of the circle. It was the out. So it was exterior. Exterior point is Q. So that point is Q. Next, a sector. A sector is nothing but from the diagonal we have to draw one shape or 2 radius like this out of the boundary. So it is said to be this part. I am shading like this. This was the segment. So angle AOB is a sector. AOB is a sector for the given circle. Next, a segment is nothing but a chord. Where was the chord? Is in the middle inner part of the circle is the segment. So this is the segment. So this is also write it as a ED. So we have to shade it the chord to up to the boundary of a circle. So this is a segment. Next question is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? Is every chord of a circle is also a diameter? This was the question. So now let's take a small circle for this question for analyzation here. So I am drawing a small circle here with the assumption centimeters. This was the middle point of the circle. So this was the point O. I am writing it as a point O, middle of the center of the circle. Now I am going to draw a diameter of the circle through center. So it is called a diameter. Now see here, this is the biggest chord in a circle because it is touching from one boundary circumference of a circle to the another circumference of a another side of a circumference of a circle. So this is, we can say easily as AB. This was the biggest chord in a circle. And also this is also a biggest chord because of a diagonal. All diameters is the biggest chord of a circle. Is every diameter of a circle is also a chord? Yes, every diameter of a circle is also a chord. But is every chord of a circle is also a diameter? No. Why? I am telling why it was not a all chords of a circle is not a diameter, because of take a chord here, it is nothing but C or D. So if you are I am telling in examples, if you are measuring from here to here, this is 4.5. if you are measuring here 1 to 2.5, see in lengths there was some difference, not only based on a length, it is not as a chord, because of chord is a one part of a point to point with a circumference is said to be a chord. Say every diameter of a circle is also a chord, but every chord of a circle is not a diameter. This is about the clause. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.